body condition score 1 or BCS 1. This cow that we see here has a score of 1 to 1.5. Let's look at how we have arrived at this score. You don't want to have this score for any animal because this cow will not give much milk and she will have problems in reproduction. Firstly, she is too thin. As you can see, the vertebrae, short ribs, hooks, pins and tail head are very sharp and visible. The vertebrae in chine, loin and rump area are prominent and easily seen as individual bones. The hook and pin bones are sharply defined and very angular in appearance with no fat pad. The area over the pelvis between the hook and pin bones forms a severe V-shaped depression without fat cover. The area on either side of the tail head is sunken and hollow with obvious folds of skin. The vulva is prominent. Such animals are underfed and sickness is common. They have problems during calving, which is called dystocia. They give very less milk.